Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu on a Mac, Ubuntu 24 in this case. My Mac is an iMac with an Intel chip. First of all, you have to download all the Ubuntu, and then there are plenty of videos that do that, so I link some of them down below. And then we can skip directly to the installation part, that is the most critical one.
Alright, now just plug in the USB stick with the Ubuntu installer inside and connect a mouse with a cable. Now let's turn on the Mac and press Alt on the keyboard. It will take a while. Okay, so now just select the boot installer. Then here you have to select Ubuntu Safe Graphics. Select Ubuntu Safe Graphics. By the way, I have also the mouse, but it doesn't work because there are no drivers, and so it's better to use a mouse with a USB cable. And for the Apple keyboard, we can set up it later through the settings, so at least have a mouse with the USB. Alright, so now we can follow the installation steps. Alright, install Ubuntu, install third-party software. It will take a while. Right now I want a fresh installation, so I erase all the disk because I don't want any more macOS or Windows on this Mac. So let's continue. And here, okay, so here we have to input some text. So the problem is that this keyboard doesn't work. So what we can do is to use a screen keyboard, but there is a bug, I don't know why, but the keyboard is not displayed. So what we can do is to go to Bluetooth and Bluetooth settings, and just wait for the window, right? So just press and hold this button until you see the flash. Okay, this is turned off. Now we turn it on. Okay, we should see a keyboard somewhere, an Apple keyboard. Let's see. Okay, now it's flashing. Let's see what happened. Alright, so I think this was the keyboard. So let's input this data, so 666.192, and press enter, and then boom, you have it. It's connected. Alright, so let's try now. Okay, now you see that you have the keyboard. So I just input my data. Alright, now just select your time zone, and yeah, I think that we have all set up, so let's install and wait. Alright, so now we can restart. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, so in this case the keyboard doesn't work, so I need to force the power off. Let's see if it works. We should see now Ubuntu. Alright, so now, okay, again, okay, so the keyboard is working. Good. Okay, so now we have Ubuntu installed without the USB stick. So let's see if the Wi-Fi is working. So after the installation, you will find out that the Wi-Fi doesn't work and it is not recognized. This is because the drivers are not installed. So one workaround that I found is to connect the Ethernet to the Mac and then download the drivers directly from the internet. So to do that, you just plug your Ethernet and then you go to software and updates and then to additional drivers, and you will see here your wireless network adapter, that is the one built inside the Mac. And probably you will have the do not use this device, and you just check the other bullet point and then you apply the changes. This will download the driver from the internet and you will have everything set up, hopefully. So yeah, this is what I found. Okay guys, so I hope that this video helps you how to install on Mac Ubuntu, and see you in the next video.